Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your watch history problem if it is not showing to you over on TikTok. The process is going to be very simple, so do kindly watch the video till the end. So currently I'm logged into my TikTok, and once I head to settings, and you can see I have got my watch history over here. And if your watch history is not showing over here, what you can do, the first thing is to update your TikTok, because most probably your app is not updated, and that's the reason behind the watch history. So do kindly update the application to the latest version of TikTok so that you can access all the features in it. If it is still showing the same problem, now you have to report a problem. So in settings and privacy, at the bottom you will find report a problem. Just hit that. Once it will load up, and just again scroll down at the bottom of the screen and click on submit a report. And just describe your issue that I want my watch history back. I was unable to view the watch history, something like that. You can just tell according to yourself, and within 24 hours TikTok will notify you through an email address, and most probably your problem will be fixed. So this is basically how you can get back the watch history over on TikTok. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.